everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Nebula, and in this video I'm going to be doing my hair like this. I was looking up a few ideas on Pinterest, and now since we've moved, the weather is really hot, and around this time in Boston I would be straightening my hair and it would just be easy to do because all I'd have to do is unwrap it. But here is really hot and humid, and I'm not able to do that, so I was looking up some braided hairstyles on Pinterest and I found this one, so I'm gonna see how that goes. Hopefully it can go well and it will look cute and it will last long, so I don't have to do my hair so much. So I started my hair. I blow dried it. I shampooed it and I blow dried it, and I just wanted to show you guys how long my hair has gotten because I haven't straightened it in so long. It's probably been a few months, and then I also had a baby, so you know that makes your hair kind of grow too. But look how long it is. Inches, honey. Anyways, enough with that. So I'm going to be using Shine and Jam. I'm going to be using rat tail comb, some clips, a hair scrunchie, and some braiding hair. Let's see how long it takes me also. It's 12:16 now, so I'm hoping it doesn't take too long because I do have other things to do today. Okay. So this is the picture I'm looking at. So her hair, it's kind of a side part. gonna finish braiding the rest of the back of my head and I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright, so I did my ends and this is the final look. I put a little mousse on here as well. But yeah, I think it came out cute. I finished braiding around like 2:45, so it only took a few hours, and like the braids aren't like super tiny. They're just like maybe like large or medium, and then also like the front of my head was already like braided back, so I like this style. It was quick and easy, and hopefully it just lasts a long time. This is how the back looks. Don't judge me about the back because I couldn't see. I was just feeling my way through, but I can't see the back, so I don't really care how it looks. You feel me? All I know is the front looks fine, and there's so many like different styles you could do with it. You could, you know, well, it's already kind of half up, half down, but you could pull it back into, you know, half up, half down ponytail. You could put it in a whole ponytail. You could do a little bun. Like, I feel like this is a very versatile look, and it's super cute, and it was really fast. So yeah, this is it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.